Minsan ginagamit lang nila yung criticism ng ibang tao as reason para hindi maging maganda yung buhay nila. Hey beautiful people, this is Pearl Hung, and our question for today is, how do you handle criticism and how does it help you grow? Minsan, kailangan mo talaga ng mga taong magsasabi sa'yo na, ito ka. Kahit hindi naman totoo, for you to strengthen your emotions. I do believe that yung emotional intelligence, yan ang pinakakailangan sa panahon ngayon. There was a time in our lives na ang pinaka-importante yung tinatawag na IQ or intelligence quotient. But dumating sa point na ang kailangan ay emotional quotient or tinatawag na EQ. And yung next naman na naging kailangan natin is the AQ, which is the adversity quotient. Well, criticisms, for me, kung i-flip mo siya into positive, magiging motivation mo siya. Kasi people will say things, depende kung ano gusto nilang sabihin. Talagang may mga taong, if they feel bad about themselves, they will make you feel bad. Ganun naman yun eh. Happy people will make other people happy. Hurt people will try to hurt other people. People with a lot of anger in themselves will be so angry outside the world, or even ikaw, minsan talagang dadamay ka sa nararamdaman niya. So those criticisms, ang ginawa ko nun is ginawa ko siyang motivation. There was a lot of judgments before nung nandun pa ako sa Palawan na pag sinabing Pearl Hung, ay ano yan, ganito, ganyan. Kahit wala ka nang ginagawa. Alam ko na experience to na mas maraming tao. No, wala ka nang ginagawa, may nasasabi pa sa'yo. Well, that was when I was in college. Wala naman na ngayon. Kumbaga, yung mga panahon pa yun ng mga bata pa mag-isip, kaya marites pa, no? But right now, when we grow up, when we get matured in life, wala naman ng mga marites. Pang mga isip bata lang yung mga marites na yan. Dati puro marites yung buhay. And nung una, nagpapa-apekto ako na sabi ko, sino nagsabi niyan? Hindi yan totoo. Kakahanap ng taong, sino nagsabi, sinong source? Nagkapatong-patong na hindi mo makikita kung sinong source. Until malalaman mo na lang that people will just say these kinds of stuff. Depende ko ano na-experience nila and what is their current state of mind, di ba? Kaya yung mga criticisms na yan, don't be affected by it. Don't take it so personal and so serious. Sinabihan niya ako ng ganito, grabe, ganito, ganyan, ayoko na lang. There's two results of criticisms. Fight or flight. Ipaglalaban mo, fight, kung sino ikaw. Paglalaban mo na ma-develop mo yung sarili mo and you'll make the criticism as a motivation. Or flight na, ayoko na. Kaya I'm really so sad. Kukulong na lang ako sa Bartolina. Ayoko na lumabas. Ayoko masinaga ng araw. Ayoko mausap ng tao kasi ito sinabi. What if there's criticisms? Always remember that there are those people who appreciate you so much. So just learn to focus on those people who will appreciate you. And if you are an orange, don't be an apple just to please people na gusto ng apple. If you're an orange, you're an orange. And someday, you will find people who will love you as an orange. So those people who criticizes you, dapat wala na sila sa iyong paningin or wala na sila sa memory bank ng brain mo. Those people, yung mga ganoon, wala yon. Just think na, kaya sila ganyan dahil baka miserable yung buhay nila kaya they're trying to make your life miserable as well. Ganun naman yun eh. So, yung mga taong na-appreciate ka, yung mga taong mahal ka, dun ka mag-focus. And these people appreciate their love, appreciate their kindness, appreciate their presence sa buhay mo, and definitely, you will shape a life that no one can ever bring you down. Kumbaga yung tao mag-criticize sa'yo will be powerless. Yung parang, ay wala na. Kahit anong sinasabi sa'yo, ang bumangga, giba. Yung mga kahit anong sabihin sa'yo, ito ka. Ay, ang bumangga, giba. Bakit? You know in yourself who you are. At alam mong maayos ka na tao. At ang napakikinggan mo lang ay yung mga taong nagmamahal sa'yo. But then, then just take 1% of the criticism, understand the person, and ask yourself, do I need to change this? Do I need to change something? Well, after mo i-accept that, okay, I need to change something, maybe meron talagang 1% kaya ako na-criticize, edi you change 100%. But then again, wag mo masyadong dibdibin because I've met a lot of people na ganyan. Kung magkwento sila ng pagka-criticize sa kanila, yung elementary pa sila. O kaya nung sila ay kinder, wow, elementary pa, ito kasi yung ganito ko, itong sinasabi sa akin, kaya naging ganito ako. Minsan nagiging reason na lang yun of being ng isang tao. Reason to do vices, reason para magpariwara. Minsan ginagamit lang nila yung criticism ng ibang tao as reason para hindi maging maganda yung buhay nila. So please, if you hear criticisms, just think, ay, perspective niya yun. Ay, pag-iisip niya yun. But then, look at yourself, assess, do I need to change something? Oh, maybe yes, in this part, and then change. And last is fully hug, appreciate, and love the people who loves you. This is Pearl Hung sending you love and light.